Well, I have not worn a bikini in 16 years since I've had kids. So my goal was, not even to just wear a bikini, because like, who knows, like it just was not to have any extra loose skin. But when I put on that bikini, I was like, oh my God, like I could actually wear this in public one day.
You're gonna rock it.
Yeah.
You're gonna rock the bikini.
Yeah. I feel great. I love the way I look. I have no extra skin anymore, which is like, that's all I wanted in life.
Yeah.
I just had a lot of loose skin that would never go away no matter how much I worked out. It's just hanging like a muffin top. And also I think like the muscles were separated from being pregnant.
Little diastasis.
Ah!
I know, right?
Oh my God.
Do you remember all this?
Yeah, no, I can't forget that. Oh my God.
Yeah, line down the middle is much more visible.
Oh my God, yes.
I know, it's exciting.
And I have a little waist.
You have a great waist. So overall, let's just say on a scale of 1 to 10, you can see that muffin.
Yeah.
How do
Oh
you
my
feel?
God. Like 12.
I'll take it. 12 is good. I agree.